Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the Darche 180-degree freestanding awning. 180-degree awnings are the best way to maximize coverage on the side of your vehicle, whether that's a ute and you don't have a rear canopy, or you've got an SUV with a lift-up rear door, because both those options can limit your ability to use a 270-degree awning, making the 180 the best option for you. One of the great things about the Darche awning range is they include all of the hardware that you need to get them set up on your vehicle straight out of the box. The freestanding 180 awnings are designed for quick and easy setup. You can just pull over on the side of the road or at your campsite, open up the awning, tighten the arms up, and you're ready to rock and roll. If the wind does start to pick up, or maybe you're leaving camp for a little while, there are these quick deploy legs, and you've got tie down points in each of the corners as well, so you can really secure it in place once things get a little windy, or if you are, like I mentioned, leaving the car alone for a while. You also notice as well, in 3 different locations, you've got these added hooks here, and that's for if it's getting a little rainy, you can simply tie them down, and that's going to create a runoff point for the rain, so you're not getting this big puddle building up on your awning. One of the standout features of the 180 freestanding awning, other than its amazing freestanding abilities, is it's got built-in LEDs in each one of the supporting arms. So you've got 4 supporting arms, each with an LED strip running the full length, and all you need to do is plug them in each corner. You've got white and amber modes. They're also dimmable, so you can really get the perfect lighting for your camping setup. And the LED lights are simply powered from a single USB port, which you can plug into the vehicle. Maybe you've got a power bank, you can just chuck it into there. There's also a sidewall kit that you can purchase separately for the 180 awning, which helps you enclose the area, giving you a nice private space. And so that is the Darche 180-degree freestanding awning.